The Big Balloon. Once upon a time, in a sunny field, there was a big, colorful balloon. The balloon was not like the balloons you blow up. It was a special hot air balloon. The balloon was so big that it could carry people high into the sky. It had bright colors like red, yellow, and blue. It looked like a rainbow. One day, a group of friends came to the field. They wanted to go on an adventure in the big balloon. The balloon's pilot, Captain Sam, welcomed them with a big smile. The friends climbed into the basket of the balloon. Captain Sam turned on the burner, and the balloon began to rise slowly. Up, up, and away. The friends were amazed as they floated above the trees and houses. They could see fields and rivers below. It felt like they were in a dream. The balloon gently floated through the sky, and the friends laughed and waved at people below. They felt like birds in the sky. After a wonderful adventure, the balloon slowly descended back to the ground. The friends cheered and thanked Captain Sam for the amazing ride. The big balloon was like a magical rainbow in the sky. The friends would always remember their special adventure in the colorful big balloon.